Okay, so this is a video about guinea pig noises. This first noise is the noise your guinea pig probably will make when they're hungry. So here it is. I'll play it one more time. Okay, this next noise, Ginger, she responds a lot to it. It's the noise a guinea pig makes when it's lonely. So here it is. She's gonna move around a lot. I'll play it one more time. It's okay. Okay. This next noise is a noise a guinea pig makes when it's happy. It's the same noises Ginger's making right now, so I guess that means she's happy. I'll play it one more time. Okay, this noise is the noise a guinea pig makes when it's curious. So here it is. It kind of sounds like how when you pet your guinea pig, it purrs. So I guess that means they're curious. I'll play it one more time. Okay, this noise is when a guinea pig is angry. It's the noise when a guinea pig, like, they chip their teeth together. So it's kind of like a warning, and it's kind of like stay away. I'll play it one more time. Okay, this next noise also means to stay away. It's kind of like a purring, but it's not like all the way there. So I'll play it one more time. Okay, this noise is, I guess, like a mating call or something. Here it is. It kind of sounds like Chewbacca. I'll play it one more time. Okay, and this next noise is a noise that a guinea pig makes whenever it's stressed. Here it is. It's really short. I'm going to play it a couple of times. Oh, let me turn it up real quick. Here it is. Yeah, so, those are all the basic noises that guinea pigs make. So I'm pretty sure you can match them up with some of the noises that your guinea pig makes. I know that my guinea pig, she reacts to a lot of those noises. So you might want to play them and see if they don't or see and see if they react. So yeah.